everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create amazing art for t-shirt design in Adobe Photoshop, like this. Okay, here we are in Photoshop. First, we need to choose a t-shirt size. Click on the new file, select this size, it's my t-shirt size, you can choose any size. Width, 5748 pixels, height, 5748 pixels, resolution, 300 pixels, color mode, RGB, background color, white, and create. OK, now create a background. Go to the adjustment layers, choose the solid color layer, set the color to black. Double click on the solid color layer and rename it BG as a background. Now we need a dragon image. Go to the file, place embedded. I have already created this dragon vector art. You can create your own or just download this type of ping image. Select this dragon ping image, hit the place. As you can see, it's a ping image. Now give some depth to this dragon ping image. Let's apply some effects to this. Go to Layer, Layer Style, Bevel, and Emboss. Now set the structure style Emboss. Technique Smooth. Depth to 180%, direction up. Size to 35%, and soften to 0%. The shading angle is 90, the attitude is 30. The highlight mode screen color is white, and the opacity is set to 70%. Shadow mode will multiply the color to black. Set the opacity to 50%. Now apply the second effect, color overlay. Click on this. Change the color to a darker red, and the opacity should be 100%. Hit OK. It will give this image some depth. Select the dragon layer and press Ctrl+J to make a copy of this layer. Set this layer behind the dragon ping layer, double click on it, and rename it Dragon Stroke. Now you can click on this bevel and emboss effect, and it will open the layer panel again. Hide the bevel and emboss effect or color overlay effect. Now apply the new effect, stroke. Click to this. Change the size to stroke around 30 pixels. Position it outside. And hit OK. So we get this amazing look. Now create some supporting elements for the design. Go to the tool and choose the circle tool. Make a circle like this. Set the size to 2700 pixels. Set the fill color to red. The stroke color to white. And set the stroke size to around 35 pixels. Put the circle at the bottom of all layers and adjust it. Now hold Alt and drag all the effects from this dragon ping layer and apply them to Ellipse 1 layer like this. Now you can click on this bevel and emboss effect. It will open the layer panel. Now adjust the value of some effects. Set the structure style in a bevel. Technique Smooth. Depth to 65%. Direction up. Size to 100%. Soften to 7%. The shading angle is 90, the attitude is 30. Highlight mode screen, color to white, set the opacity to 50%. Shadow mode will multiply the color to black, set the opacity to 50%. Now adjust the second effect, color overlay. Click on this. Change the color to a lighter red, and the opacity should be 100%. Hit OK. It will give this circle some depth, like this. Again, create another circle like this. Set the size to 1300 pixels. Set the fill color to red. The stroke color to white. And set the stroke size to around 30 pixels. Adjust this. Put the circle at the bottom of all the layers. Again, hold Alt and drag all the effects from this Ellipse 1 layer and apply them to the Ellipse 2 layer like this. Again, create another circle. Set the size to 900 pixels. Set the fill color to red. The stroke color to white. And set the stroke size to around 30 pixels. Put the circle at the bottom of all the layers. Again, hold Alt and drag all the effects from this Ellipse 2 layer and apply them to the Ellipse 3 layer like this. Adjust the all circle according to your preference. Now go to the tool, choose rectangle, and make a rectangle like this. Set the fill color to red, the stroke color to white, and the stroke size to around 20 pixels. Put rectangle 1 at the bottom of all layers. Again, hold Alt and drag all the effects from this ellipse 3 layer and apply them to the rectangle 1 layer like this. Adjust all elements according to your preferences. Now add some text to this. Go to the text tool and type dragon. Open the character panel. I am choosing Trajan Pro. Make the type bold. Select the letter D, and increase the size of it to around 100 pixels. Adjust this according to your preference. Here is our dragon art ready. Now save this as a PNG file. First, hide the BG and background layers. Go to the file, export. Quick export as PNG. Name it Dragon PNG Final, and save it. Now apply this dragon design to the t-shirt mockup. I already downloaded the t-shirt mockup to save you time. Just open the mockup file. Here you see the mockup. Open the design file and place your dragon design PNG here. Like this. Now hide the old design and save it. It will automatically place your design here like this. Cool. You can apply this dragon design with the multiple mockup files, and after applying the design, your final design looks like this.